Everyone is asking the same question. Is Gemini 3 Pro actually better than GPT 5.1? Or is Google just shouting loud enough for people to believe it? With Google pushing massive ads everywhere, claiming Gemini 3 Pro crushes GPT 5.1, beats Claude Sonnet 4.5 in every chart, dominates LMA RENA, and even delivers agentic software development, curiosity is at an all-time high, but so is confusion. When you actually start using the model, a different picture appears. Gemini 3 Pro talks big about autonomous coding, anti-gravity agents, and hands-free software building. Yet the reality still involves constant user oversight, manual debugging, and double-checking whether the tool did what it claims. The pricing looks attractive at first, but once you combine long context prompts with iterative development, the cost quickly climbs higher than most people expect, especially for anyone coding regularly. Yes, benchmark charts show Gemini 3 Pro winning, but those wins don't always translate to real developer workflows. Things like stable reasoning, step-by-step accuracy, or clean execution still feel inconsistent. And early testers are already reporting failed builds, hallucinated successful outputs, UI freezes, and tasks that look completed until you notice missing logic. At the same time, it's not a bad model, it's fast, impressive at certain tasks, and clearly moving in the right direction. But the hype around fully autonomous agents and hands-off engineering is far ahead of what the model can reliably do today. Some people say it's the future of AI productivity, others say it still needs babysitting, and both sides have a point. Gemini 3 Pro isn't a scam, but it's not magic either. It's a powerful tool with real limits, and understanding those limits matters before you commit your money or switch away from GPT 5.1.